a storm as we were coming up all the way. Let's take a look at the line. Do you think it's because we're up so high that it's so windy? Ooh, is that Hannibal? She'll open. Yeah, look at this dude. Somebody dropped a whole pack of whole pack of number 3. Ooh, what's this? What just happened here? What? It's an American lock. You can just pick it.
Yeah, the same one.
Damn, look, Jake, somebody tried to cut it.
That guard security was in even worse shape. It looks like somebody took a picture. I don't know.
The wind slowed down a little bit. Hey, it's one of these granites. What? One of the granites. I think it's just in 5, but it's ooh, a Master Lotto. I love you so much I won't even buy a name brand lock.
Yeah.
Let's go take a look at the big ones. Hey, they got a plaque over there. Let's take a look at that. They're gonna be on that. Lover's League. I'm not gonna read it, so you can just pause this. On May 10, 1967, 3 adventurous boys explored these hills in the foothills of Huckleberry County topsoil that will never be seen again. Craig, Joey, and Billy were given murdered by rescue teams who came from coast to coast to solve the disappearance. These boys are nearly missed and loved by their families and friends who will never be forgotten by all. This historical monument also reflects the love of the community and the nation who will never be served. That's fat. Man, that sucks. Aw, man. I don't want us climbing on the structure, dude. Got an 1100 American lock over here. babies. Little babies. Oh, yeah. Dude, that's an Avis.
Yeah. That's a name for Hannibal.
So no security pins. Must be a 5-ton. I'm not seeing any shackle bags.
There's a
Damn it, Trevor! I told you we'd be here. Why didn't you wait? That's a big one. You don't want to try more brakes. Is that a 50? It's still not even 50. It is so windy. It's so windy. Another 64. What's the deal with that?
I guess it is.
Okay.
Probably Sheila. That looks like something.
We got a monster can in the car.
That looks like something. It's looking like you could just slip them on though.
Up 13. Definitely not for life, I promise you that. Apparently, the lockpicking lawyer, Jay, he does, him and his wife have a shackle tag, and it's somewhere on the East Coast, and he said, but it's welded. And my immediate response was, define welded. What do you mean welded? Did you graze it?
Oh wait, it says the same thing.
That's dope. Yeah. I might leave your lock. What is this? Oh my god, it's a new. Boy, that wind is something else.
There's Brady up there. It's I don't know.
Yeah, no, dude, that's a. Yeah, that little rubber. No security pins, just the straight thing. What is this? No. Oh, and look at our community. It's Jake. It's not just a bunch of the Amazon generics and Brinks commercials and stuff. There's like American locks. I haven't seen a pack lock yet. Yeah. good stuff on here. I don't know if any of our audio is going to. Probably not. You know it. Alright, well, we gave you a little look around. You now know what Jake and I are going to be doing for the next couple hours, and we're not going to get all sunburned. I could have let him wear all black, like he probably wanted to. Oh, fucking. That is 64. Yeah, I'm getting on that shit. Alright, we'll check back up on this in a while after we got a handful of them. Okay, so we're through the half-wall halls. They got us a decent house shit. I gotta slam this monster for Jake so that he can go show me some of them unopenable locks. Thank you, Lockpicking Warrior. That's gonna make for fun. It's been decent. We got a lot of low-hanging fruit here. I'm really happy about this guy. We got the bypass set, so we were able to get a bunch of these water docks. We're tagging them up now. We're gonna keep some of them. And then we're leaving our U-lines behind because those guys are badass. Some of them are easy to pick. Some of them are a pain in the ass. Is this a 363? No, it's a 963. Jake's got a set of the orange ones. It's like a total fucking nightmare to pick, but the rest of them are mostly easy. So that's why I kind of like leaving those. I like leaving those around because, good job. Different skill levels for each color kind of deal. And if we leave a series of them, then even if you can't get the hard ones, at least you might have a shot at one of the easier ones. But the wind died down an awful lot. We've had a lot of people come through. We kind of just got into it with this Matt Walsh looking asshole. He hollered over at us what we were doing because obviously it was very cryptic. Oh, and the cops are here now. And yeah, he was like really ugly for no reason. So, but yeah, I guess the cops are here for us now. That dude called the cops, so he really was a fucking Karen. All right. So the cops just left. They visited us out here because this like total Matt Walsh looking Karen dude apparently called the cops and told them we were stealing locks. So they had two cops out here. They ran our IDs and stuff. And I guess he called into the station to be like, hey, are these locks out here abandoned? And I'm sure he got the response of, dude, we've got an auto theft. Can you please get those guys their IDs and get the fuck out of there? Because, dude, they bailed out. Now, part of that was because it started raining and shit. But, yeah, no, we just totally got stopped by the cops. And the fucking douchebag Karen, dude, he actually came back. To gloat while the cops were talking to him. And I pointed him. I was like, there's your gloating dude right there. And they kind of looked at him like, God damn it. And I told him, that dude just wasted your time. Like, we're not doing anything illegal. And he initially asked, he's like, well, you guys are putting them all back. And I was like, well, we put some of them back, but like locks that don't have anything on them, those ain't going back out there. Yeah. And then I got to tell her the story about the mom lock. But yeah, we jumped back in the car because it started raining really hard. It'll probably clear up here pretty quick. But yeah, it's motherfuckers. Tell them, Jake, I'm
really professional.
What?
The single dad who was spending his custody time at the Lovelock Bridge, or not the Lovelock, I'm sorry, the Lovelock Monument, really wanted to pick a fight.
Oh my god. He did. I had to give him the dude, you may not know who you're fucking with. Look.
Yeah.
Oh my god. And then he went and called the cops and then doubled back.
Yeah. With his kid in the car.
So I told the cops, I asked the cops, and they seemed pretty receptive. I said, do me a favor, because we're going to put this out here, that we were out here, and there's going to be a video. You may end up getting a bunch of lock pickers out here. Cut them a fucking break. Ain't nobody stealing shit, and all these locks are fucking abandoned. So, unfucking believable. What a Karen piece of shit. If he comes back out here, I'm getting a felony.
No.
No, I'll probably get off.
Well, you'd still get hired back.
I've been hired. They ain't gonna let me go. I've been holding on to that first felony for a long time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna cash that motherfucker in. So, but we're still out here. We're letting the rain go away. Having a good time. Lovers League, Hannibal, Missouri.
Yeah, Commie Land.